Okay, this is my quick little bike check at night in a gas station. Uh, starting, starting with my bars. I gotta put this camera a little. Gotta sit it on the gloves, and I'm looking at my phone because that's how I see. You know, want to be on video. So yeah, starting with my grips. I got the Bruno Hoffman grips. This is part one of this video. So as soon as I get my other parts, there's gonna be a part two bike check. So yeah, so the grips are Bruno Hoffman grips with the part ends from Odyssey. Handlebars, a 4-piece strangler. The strangler bar is 4-piece, 25.4 clamping. Stem is an Onyx stem. The headsets, it's the Chronicle headset by Odyssey. I got the Odyssey gyro, the kink kink restraint lever with the wires, with the kink wires, dual wires, running to the kink desist 2 brakes. Fork R25. Well, there'll probably be a part 3 because I'm gonna get the F25 fork. Tires is the Odyssey Brock Wafer. I got the Odyssey tubes, the extra large BSD pegs, the XLs. I got the Seeker pedals by Eclat. The front wheels are Eclat. The Eclat tripping wheel with the Eclat Cortex front hub. The regular Cortex front hub. I don't have the oversized. I wish. I said the pedals already, which is the Seeker pedals. BSD cranks, XL substance cranks. 24 spindle. I got the BSD guard sprocket, BSD chain. I got the tripping wheel on the back with the Eclat shift free coaster. Same tires in the back as the front. I got the Odyssey seat post with the Eclat technical saddle. What is it called? I forgot now. I forgot what this is called. Yeah. So and of course the kink backwoods. I like the logo. It's right here. Is the kink backwoods 2023 model. So it says it on the other side. Yeah, kink backwoods. It says it on the other side. And after I do my update with I'm planning to change the stem, and I'm gonna put the Talon brakes as soon as I get it with the Odyssey levers, because I got 2 sets of levers. I got the trigger levers and regular medium lever. So, and I just got the wire that I needed for this frame. And I got little dices right there. That's about it. I should get red ones so it can match the stickers. But yeah, that's my 20 2023 bike check. Kink backwoods. This is a aftermarket frame, so it's not really. You can only get the frame unless you deal with like Source BMX. They could build you a bike with the frame and just pick out the parts in the website and they'll build it for you. But mainly this frame is like, that's how it comes. You gotta put it on the parts that you want. So this is what the parts, everything you see here is what I decided to go with. I have the gray one, which is a 2024, and I got different parts for the gray one. So I'm gonna do as soon as I get the F25 for front brakes for this one, I'm gonna build back the gray one with the other parts that I have on it, that I have for the other one. So yeah, so I think that's it. And the Design rear tail light that you see there, there's a little red one right there. So yeah, that's about it. That's the bike check. 2023 model, and it's 21 and a half, the biggest size you could get on this kink. The biggest size, 21 and a half, and I'm only 5'9", 5'9" point whatever, 75. I'm almost yeah, I consider myself 5'10" basically, but I'm 5'9" and change. But I say 5'10". This is supposed to be for someone that's like 6'6", like 6'4" or 6'3" to like 6'6". But I still could ride it, so I mean, if you're comfortable with riding a bigger bike, because to me it kind of feels like a fucking a mountain bike. So because of the length of the top tube. So yeah, so that's it. But this is my bike check, part 1.